Feel like royalty in your own castle, perfectly situated for unsurpassed views of the Columbia River. A gated entry leads to the long driveway and your private estate. Exquisitely detailed gathering spaces provide an easy flow for entertaining, and south-facing windows provide spectacular views. The chef's kitchen features 2 islands, double ovens, a Wolf cooktop, a Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator, and a hidden walk-in pantry. Work from home in the generous main-level den or office with amazing views as your backdrop. In your spacious master suite, unwind by the fireplace. Or head out to your private terrace. The master bath is a beautifully designed oasis with sleek, decorative elements providing a contemporary touch. Also on this level, you'll find 2 more light-filled bedrooms, each with an ensuite bath. On the top level, a bonus room is ready for movie or game night with a wet bar. The lower level space with a full kitchen, bedroom, and full bath would make a great rental, Airbnb, or guest suite with a private entrance. From the covered patio with a fireplace and outdoor kitchen, take in sunset views while enjoying the water feature. The large shop for business or RV storage includes a living quarters with a full kitchen, bedroom, and bath. A world-class custom home and the ultimate in privacy. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.